Programming your key fob for a 2007 to 2010 Chevy Avalanche is a simple DIY task. First, enter programming mode by closing all doors, inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on position for accessory mode, and then back to off. Remove the key. Within 10 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the first key fob simultaneously for about 30 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock, indicating that the system has entered programming mode. Now release the buttons and immediately press the lock button on the same fob to confirm the programming. Repeat these steps for any additional key fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4 fobs. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position. This process syncs the fob's unique ID with the vehicle's body control module, BCM, enabling wireless communication via radio frequency signals. If your key fob programming isn't working, several factors might be at play. Ensure the fob battery, a CR232 type, is fresh. A weak battery can cause pairing failures. The effective range is typically 30 to 100 feet. Aftermarket universal fobs are an option, potentially saving you money compared to genuine GM fobs, with prices ranging from $20 to $40. Security is paramount. If a fob is lost, reprogramming all fobs ensures the lost one becomes inactive. Be aware that DIY programming is accessible via online tutorials. However, if the vehicle's BCM fails, dealer reprogramming may be necessary. If you encounter issues or aren't comfortable with DIY, consult a professional to avoid potential security risks or damaging the vehicle's electronic system.